Now that we've isolated different parts of our image using masks, let's go ahead and make our adjustments. We'll start with the sky. Hold the Command key and click the thumbnail to make a selection. Then go to Layers and choose the Adjustment button. Choose Levels. And let's adjust the levels. Let's just get rid of any empty areas here. Okay. Let's go to back to our layers and choose a hue and saturation. And let's turn the saturation down on this. And we can adjust these different, experiment a little bit. Adjust the hue, saturation, see what the lightness would look like. I think I'll leave my lightness alone, just hue and saturation. All right, and let's not forget to name these layers. That's really important. So this is sky levels, and this is sky HS. And we could even color code these, because these two adjustment layers go together. That might be helpful. All right, let's go back to channels. Let's choose our plaza. Let's do that. Let's make a selection with our plaza mask. Go back to the Layers tab. Add a Levels layer. I'm going to drag this Properties tab away so that it's more visible. And I'm just going to tighten up the levels on this. Drag the slider so that we're eliminating these kind of empty areas here, tightening things up a little bit. All right. Let's call this Plaza Levels. All right, now we need hue and saturation. Let me name that first. And again, we can play with this a little bit. I'm going to turn the saturation down. Let's see here. I need to make a selection. So let me go back. Let me undo this, because what it's doing is it's adjusting my entire image. I think we're good there. Let me go ahead and make a new selection on this. All right, go to Layers. Let's delete this. Let's just start from scratch on that one. Hue and saturation. All right, yeah, that's working now. All right, so I'm going to turn this down. I just want this to affect the plaza foreground. Okay. Plaza HS. Okay. Now let's do the statue. Make a selection from our statue. Go to Layers. Let's add Levels. Now this one we want to see maybe a little bit more detail in the dark areas, so I'm going to lighten this up a bit. Move this slider to eliminate these blank areas. I don't want to go too dark, so that's about right. All right, now let's go select our channel again. Go back to layers, hue and saturation, and then let's modify that. And it's really not doing a whole lot. Very subtle differences on this one. All right, and let's not forget to rename these. So statue, HS, and the other one was statue levels. Okay, let's color code these. The adjustment layers that go together. All right. So now we can just see the changes that we've made by toggling these adjustment layers on and off. We can see how much we've affected the look of this image.